Bonjour and welcome in this new video of French Tutoring Fun. Today we are going to see together 3 tips for you to start to learn French. And at the end of this video I will give you a last bonus that is very powerful. The first one is Post-it. They are much funnier to use than a notebook. So get prepared, take your pen, your Post-it and go around your house, write the name of objects you have in the house and stick them on it. You can start with one room that doesn't have a lot of objects, and then you can extend week by week each room. They will change everything. You will go in one room, see the Post-it, and by seeing it every day, you will remember it easily. So each time you look at a Post-it, try to say it out loud. Maybe you can type it on the internet and check the pronunciation, and by repeating you can even try to write it down so you will remember it easily. It is also useful to write a little sentence on your Post-it with your word, because like that you will know after how you can use it in a sentence. I would like you, after this video, to choose 5 words in your house. You write each word on a Post-it and you stick it on the object. Tell me in the comment which 5 words you chose to learn. The second tip is watching movies. I can understand that it can feel frustrating watching a foreign language movie as a beginner, because you will feel like you won't understand much. Which is true, at the beginning is going to be pretty challenging, but I am going to give you tips to make it as smooth as possible. The key word here is to be an active watcher and listener. At the beginning, you can try to choose a movie you know and you like. It's going to be fun and much easier for you. Break it down. If a movie is lasting an hour and 30 minutes, break it down in several parts and you can watch one full movie within a week. Is completely possible. The most important is to stay active during watching and listening. Start watching the movie with subtitles in your own language. It's better to start slowly than making it too hard for you and then you will give up very quickly. Start watching few minutes. You can do 2 minutes by 2 minutes. You can even watch these 2 minutes again and again a few times. You write it down, the vocabulary you don't know, you search in the dictionary, and you repeat out loud to practice your pronunciation. As a little challenge, I will ask you to choose a movie to watch in the next 2 weeks, and you tell me in the comment. I'm curious to know, and I will check that you follow the tips of this video. The third tips is to write your shopping and to-do list in French. Yes, thanks to this, you will start slowly to learn new vocabulary. And because a shopping list, you will have things that will come regularly each week. You will have the same things you will buy again and again, and at the end you will know these words without making any effort. It's the same with the to-do list. Every week we've got the same things to do again and again. So write down your to-do list in French, and you will see that after a few weeks you will learn a lot of vocabulary. And the last tips as a bonus, the one that will make you really progress in French, is think in French. Yes, it seems a bit weird like that, but I can promise you that you will do a lot of progress. So why think in French? Because if you are not living in a French-speaking country, you don't have the opportunity to practice your speaking. So let's talk to yourself. You are at the office and wondering, what could I eat tonight? Well, translate it in French. Qu'est-ce que je vais manger ce soir? You are cooking, for example. I'm taking the pan. Je prends la casserole. I'm taking the salt. Je prends le sel. Describe what you are doing and you will learn French without even thinking about it. So what are you thinking right now? Right now. Tell me in the comment. In French. Yes, it's going to be a good start in following the steps. That was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, that you learn things, and of course, I will see you in the next video. À bientôt!